a legend amongst top world cities, Hong Kong. It's a global financial center, a trading center, and a logistics center. This vibrant, densely populated melting pot between the West and the East. The city has been ranked the world's freest economy 21 years in a row. It now aspires to become a global hub for research and development of new technologies. And for that, it's inviting foreign help.
Swiss and Hong Kong have been trading partners for a long time, but in the past, it's been on watches, chocolate, etc. But today, the entire economy is built on research and technology innovation. And we hope that between Swiss, which has a lot of strength in precision engineering, etc., and Hong Kong as a footstep to go to China and also a springboard to the rest of Southeast Asia, there will be more and more Swiss companies to consider Hong Kong as their regional headquarters.
Hong Kong Science Park offers facilities and support services to businesses in high-tech fields. Blaser Swiss Lube recently set up its Asia-Pacific headquarters here. The company is a global leader in producing metalworking fluids, and it has a presence in 64 countries. 14 of them are in the Asia-Pacific region. This Hong Kong facility will also serve as a regional customer service laboratory. The CEO chose Hong Kong because it's business-friendly, protects intellectual property rights, and because it's close to China, where Blaser Swiss Lube has many big customers.
A few years back, a lot of people were saying, yeah, we go to China because it's cheap. Nowadays, even China has to innovate in order to be more competitive in a global market, and hence also invest into new technologies. At first, yes, it was you were a bit the preacher out there in the empty, but more and more, every day more, we see that customers really are looking for help and support with the latest technology to make them competitive throughout the world on a top level.
China's rise to power has also become legendary, from an impoverished country to the world's second largest economy in just a few decades. Its growth has been based largely on manufacturing inexpensive goods for export. This model no longer works, however, and Beijing is now reconstructing the economy into an innovative one. Its aim is to produce high-tech and more expensive goods. In 2013, China established its first free trade zone in Shanghai. It was founded to carry out innovation in areas of investment, foreign trade, and finance. China plans to open 3 more free trade zones in the coming years.
It's definitely a sign of the industry upgrading and innovating. We open up and compete with the best companies and people in the world on the same platform in their free trade zone. The competition will force us to be innovative and improve our business capacity. The opening up will also force us to reform, says this economist.
The Chinese hunger and need for innovative technologies and products will intensify over the next years. That, combined with a 1-year-old free trade agreement between Switzerland and China, creates huge opportunities for investment and export to the country. When needed, Swiss Business Hub is here to help.
For smaller companies that want to tackle the Asian market without really knowing where they are going with their product in China, Hong Kong is a good test market. It's a trend setter. You can give it a try here. If it works in Hong Kong, it's going to work in China.